If you can dream it, you can program it. Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and guests. This quote made me realize something. It made me realize that almost everything can be done by a programming. And also this quote made me remember something. It made me remember my mentor in my workplace. And his name is Pak Hermanto. And Pak Hermanto and I are working as a SAP functional consultant in IT department. Pak Hermanto said this to me. I remember Pak Hermanto said that, Andre, you know that SAP can create almost everything. Because I remember there was a time that I got this request from the user, and I think it's very complicated one. It's very hard, and I don't think it can be created in SAP. But turns out, in the end, after a few more tries, turns out it can be created. The program was finished and it works. After hearing this from my mentor, I was questioning myself. Even my mentor himself, that has worked for more than 20 years, can also be wrong. And at first he said that it cannot be created, but actually it can. The point that I want to tell you is, as long as the technology and the programming continue to evolve, there is no limit in programming. There are virtually endless possibility when it comes to what you can create with it. Fellow Toastmaster and guests, for tonight's speech, I have prepared one simple minigame, which, of course, made by a program. It's made by a Python programming language. For those of you who are curious about what is Python programming language, it's actually a very easy to understand programming language, and it's commonly used for a data analytic or data scientist. So here I have prepared a simple game called Guessing the Number. Okay, so here is the code that I have prepared, and this game is called a Guessing the Number. So for its name, I believe everyone can tell how to play this game. So basically, all you have to do is just guess the correct number between 1 to 100. Very simple. So I would like to ask everyone here to play along with me about this game. So I will call one by one and just guess the correct number between 1 to 100. So the program said, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess what it is? Enter your guess. So maybe from Dennis, can you guess first number between 1 to 100? Sorry? 1.5. Cannot lah, 1 to 100. Too complicated lah. Okay, so what's your guess?
Maybe 4.
4. Between 1 to 100, 4. Alright? So your guess is 4. So what will the outcome? You said too low. Guess again. So next one maybe from Toastmaster Tamala. Your second guess. Your first guess. Yeah. Right.
98.
98. How come? Yeah. Right. 98. Right. 98. Okay. It's a too high. Guess again. So next one maybe. Yeah. Ko Agus. Danis just say 4 low, too low. 4 too low, you just guess 2. Guess. It's okay, I know. So what's your guesses?
50.
50, that's what I want lah, 50. Okay. Too low, okay. So next one maybe from the left side, Ko Jordi.
75.
75, that's how you play, not... Oh, too... Sorry, too low. Okay, Next one maybe Kak Enda. 82? Okay, 82. Too low. Okay, next one maybe Toastmaster Kevin. Ko Kevin. 82 is too low. So which means it's more than 82. 88. Lucky number. Is it correct? Too low. This is too low. What? Okay, maybe Amanda. What's your guesses? 93. Okay, let's try. Too low again. What? It's too okay, maybe Mas Maria. 93.
Between 93 and 97.
Or
Say 95.
95. Okay, is it correct? Too high. So that means the guess is 94. Yeah, let's see what is the outcome. Congratulations, you guessed the number in 9 guesses. Alright, so that's one of the simple mini game that is created by a program. So as you can see, programming can be a lot of fun. And this simple mini game is just a little tip of the iceberg. With a little bit of patience and practice, you can create all kinds of amazing programs and applications that can help you in your daily life. And also you can even change the world. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that this program is not even 100% created by me? It's created by another program. So you can say a program create another program. Can anyone guess what is the name of the program? That's correct, ChatGPT. So ChatGPT to me is one of the example of the program which a life-changing program, because I have been using this ChatGPT for, let's say, 1 to 2 months, and it's very useful. It's very helpful to me. And without ChatGPT, I don't think I can deliver this prepared speech on time for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, to close my speech, I have prepared another one, not a game, but a short video, which talking about the expectation versus reality in programming, part 2. The part 1 was already shown in my previous speech, so I say this is a part 2. So it's only 11 seconds, and I think I can just start now. Yeah, okay, so let's start. This is the video. Yeah, I think that's all, and that's very relatable if like me or maybe Koagus as a programmer. And if you want to become a programmer, maybe my advice as a programmer, only one, is the very first rule as a programmer. If it works, don't touch it. That's all. So I think that's all. Thank you, and back to Tom. No.